This process guides you through creating and managing tags and drawings in the WeldTrace application. It explains how to import data, configure settings, and prepare your project for further operations. Once you have created a project, pause to review the setup before proceeding. The first step is to go to the Tags section and then add some tags. You will see one default tag created in a project, and it's called T1. If you don't choose to use tags in your project, you can assign all the drawings to this default tag. So a tag can be considered as a deliverable item. It can be a spool, a line, a vessel, a skid, or anything you can imagine it to be. So to add a tag, you can click here and add a tag number, a title, an Equip Me number, line number, and line class. And then you can pick drawings. Because the drawings have not yet been added to the project, you won't be able to pick the now, but you can come back and do that later. We can also change the NDE settings or the tags, and it can be different from the project settings. So you see only the three options here, because only these three NDE type shave been selected in this project. I will click Cancel to abort the current operation and return to the previous screen. We can also import multiple tags using the CSV file facility. So if we click on Import Tags here, we can go to Download Template, and this will download the template in a CSV format, and you can fill in the data. Remember not to change the column headings or change the order of the columns. All the details here, including the tag number, title, equipment number, and NDT settings can be filled, and you can upload the file. Click on the Upload File button to upload the file. Now I'll show you one example. Select the CSV file to upload the tags. If I click Create, these tags will be created automatically. Currently, there are no drawings added to this project. You can also import a CSV file to create tags and drawings together. Using this option here, you can import tags and drawings together. The process is very similar to importing tags. In case there is any error in the data that's being imported, the WeldTrace interface will throw an error like this, where the text is shown in red and the background is highlighted. You need to fix the relevant data in the CSV file and then import it. Now that I've fixed the file, I will upload it again. You can see that there's no text in red. And you can see some of the cells are highlighted with a faint orange. These mean they are possibly duplicate values, or they are different from the values entered previously. If the data is different to those tags or drawings imported earlier, or if the data is different in the earlier rows, you will see the cells highlighted like this. In this case, the highlighted values will not overwrite the values accepted earlier. It just alerts you to the fact that there could be different data in different rows. Click Create to finalize the creation and import the tags and drawings. So once you click OK, WeldTrace will process the data and add them to the respective libraries. And if you go into the Drawings page, you will see the drawings that have been imported. Click Tags to open the Tags List page. You will see the list of tags imported to the project. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to upload drawings in bulk. This process documents the complete workflow for creating and managing tags and drawings within the WeldTrace application, including importing data via CSV and handling errors to ensure the project is loaded with data.